so many tears in my eyes because I'm chopping onion. So today's day is just like any other quarantine day. I woke up, I made breakfast for Arav. उसकी online classes start हो गई हैं, so he's taking his online class right now. It's 9:15 right now. So I woke up around 8:30. I'm so sorry. I can't open my eyes. The onion is so, oh my god, it's just hitting me in my eyes. तो बस आरव को breakfast बना के दिया, चाय बनाई, and now I am making breakfast. So I'm planning to make upama today and kadhi chawal for lunch. So I'm just chopping the vegetables for it, and I'll be making that. And then I also plan to make chocolate cake today, basically Oreo cake. It's a simple one, and I'm going to share the recipe with you guys. So yeah, that's that. Or the good thing was that yesterday I washed all the bartan before sleeping, so my sink is clean as of now. So I try ki if I have time at night, I'll wash the utensils, and so that the next morning there is not a lot of work, because today I'm planning to do some content for YouTube. So I just wanted to keep it light, so cooking and maybe some cleaning of the house, basically dusting. My husband is sharing the cleaning duty, so I'll do dusting and yeah, take bath and try and make some content. Or Instagram pe guys, I'm doing fashion forward Fridays. So every Friday I have started a fashion related series. This is season 2. I've already done season 1. तो इसमें मैं फैशन से रिलेटेड वीडियोस बनाती हूँ एवरी फ्राइडे ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. सो इफ़ यू गाइज आर नॉट फॉलोइंग मी देयर, प्लीज़ डू. द लिंक इज डाउन बिलो. एंड देन आई हैव अनदर पेज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम कॉल्ड हाउस दैट. वो मेरा होम डेकोर रिलेटेड पेज है, उसका भी लिंक मैं नीचे डाल दूंगी. सो प्लीज़ फॉलो मी देयर एज वेल. सो वन इज़ अ ब्यूटी फैशन पेज, लाइफ स्टाइल पेज. Other one is a home decor page. So do follow me there as well. And yeah, so this is how the day has unfolded as of now. So guys, this is my early morning enemy, onion. So I've just chopped this one for my curry, and this is for upma. So I'm gonna make both of them, and yeah, and I'm talking a little softly because my husband is still sleeping. I don't want to disturb him. Okay. I hope you understand. Though he gets up before me every day, today he's just sleeping because he was doing some office work till late night. So yeah, onion story. Okay guys, I thought I'll just quickly share with you how I make curry. So I use mustard oil, sarson ka tel. After burning the oil, I just added onion, ginger, garlic. I also add this methi ke dane is what we call it, and some rye and hing. Okay, so I just keep it very simple, mix everything together. And for the curry, either I use khatta dahi. If I don't have that, I use this छाछ, masala छाछ, and इसमें थोड़ा सा बेसन डाल के I'm just mixing it nicely so that there are no lumps. And then I'll just transfer this mixture into the masala, and of course I'll add salt, थोड़ा सा red chili, haldi, and coriander powder. I don't add tomatoes in my curry, and my tadka is like here only, so I don't put a separate tadka, but a lot of people put a separate tadka after it's ready. I just make it like that. I make pakoras. At times I do, at times I don't. So yeah, I just make it in a very very simple way, and it is delicious. And if I have to make it more sour khatta, I add nimbu or little bit of amchur. That's it. Simple, very easy, and very tasty. So guys, I recorded 2 videos today. This is the first one, which is on berry and rug styling. I've already uploaded it on my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched this video, तो देख लीजिएगा, मैं लिंक डाल दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. तो मैंने इसमें दिखाया था किस तरह से मैंने डिफरेंट बेरीज और रग्स को स्टाइल किया है. और उसी दिन इसी के साथ साथ मैंने एक ये वीडियो भी रिकॉर्ड की थी जहाँ पे मैंने एक साड़ी को डिफरेंट वेज में स्टाइल किया. तो ये वीडियो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे ऑलरेडी लाइव है. फैशन फॉरवर्ड फ्राइडे सीजन 2 के आई थिंक थर्ड एपिसोड में है ये वीडियो, एंड इसी को मैं यूट्यूब पे भी अपलोड करने का सोच रही हूँ इन डिटेल, एंड आई शेयर ऑल द डिटेल्स विद यू. सो या, दीज वर द 2 videos which I recorded the same day as when I was recording this vlog. Hi guys, today I'm going to make this quick and easy Oreo cake. So we just need 4 ingredients: some Oreo biscuits, any chocolate, cream, and some milk. Now let's begin. So I'm just going to put 2 packets of Oreo biscuit and grind it. So guys, your biscuit should look like this. It's ground into a very, very fine powder. And now we're just gonna add some milk in it and again blend it. So guys, the batter is ready. I've just added enough milk so that it becomes a little like this viscous yet flowy. So this is our batter, and now we're just gonna transfer it in a pan, and then I'm going to bake this cake on a preheated tawa. I've already put it on flame, and we will be heating it on this, baking it on this tawa on a low flame for 40 minutes. So simple. Okay, guys, now I have greased this pan. I've just taken a steel pan. You can take aluminum, whatever you have. So I've greased it with butter, and then I will just place this butter paper inside the pan and then pour all the batter. Okay. So guys, my cake is on the tawa at low flame. Okay, the flame has to be low, and I'll bake it for 35 to 40 minutes, and we'll keep checking in between. It looks so good already. Okay, now let's make chocolate ganache. For that, all you need is a chocolate, anything of your choice, and cream. So I'll grate the chocolate, and then I'll mix cream, and I'll whisk it till it becomes a nice gooey, creamy kind of ganache. So guys, I have grated the chocolate and mixed Amul cream. Now I haven't taken measurements as such. Everything is just, an estimate. Now I'm just going to whisk it nicely and prepare our ganache. Well guys, quick tip, if you're finding it hard to whisk the chocolate and the cream together, if chocolate is taking time to melt, just put it in microwave oven for 10 seconds, only 10 seconds, and you see this becomes such a easy and quick process. Okay, guys, so now let's check the cake. So, the best way to do is just pierce a clean knife or any stick, and if it comes out clear, means your cake is done. So, I'm gonna switch off the stove and I will now pull it out basically, and transfer it on a plate. So guys, I just flipped over this dabba, okay, and now I'm going to remove the butter paper very carefully.
Warning,
Alright.
super hot.
Warning, super hot, and it looks quite nice, but it's quite hot. So let me just it's hot. Toss it over, and this is how it looks. It just looks very gooey and nice, and I let it cool down, like properly cool down, and then we will start applying our ganache. And yum! Okay, guys, so my cake is completely cooled down and it really turned out to be nice, very nice. And now I'm going to put the ganache. So, this is not going to be the prettiest looking cake because I'm not a professional at all, but I'll just try and spread the ganache evenly. And I really wish I had strawberries, but I don't have strawberries, so I will be putting gems, a good old gems. Yeah. So, let's do this.
Messiest cake you'll ever see. Rather messiest chocolate cake is still okay. I mean good.
And guys, this is our chocolate cake, rather the Oreo chocolate cake. So it looks very tempting, though it's not the prettiest, but yeah, it looks tempting and it really tastes well because I tasted the ganache and I tasted a bit of the cake. And yes. Hi guys, hi. Okay, so my God, what a crazy day. So guys, सुबह breakfast lunch मैंने आराम से बना लिया by 10:30. उसके बाद I took I think half an hour off for myself and I just did some posts and stuff on Instagram. And after that, I took bath. And today I'm actually recording 3 videos simultaneously. So one is this vlog video. The second video that I'm doing is on a sari, like I'm wearing a sari right now. So I have styled one sari in different ways and it's going to be really, really interesting and fun. And the third video that I'm recording is how to style daris and rugs in your home. So that's a home decor related video. So अगर आप लोग मुझे मेरे चैनल पे फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हो तो प्लीज़ गाइज फॉलो मी, सब्सक्राइब ऑन माई चैनल. आई पोस्ट वीडियोज़ एवरी थर्सडे. मुझे कई लोगों से कमेंट्स आते हैं कि हम बहुत टाइम से आपके वीडियोज़ का वेट कर रहे थे, वीडियोज़ नहीं आपने डाली. ऐसा नहीं है गाइज, आई एम वेरी रेगुलर विद माई वीडियोज़. एवरी थर्सडे मेरी वीडियो अपलोड होती है और अब मैं वीकेंड्स पे भी वीडियोज़ अपलोड करती हूँ, सैटरडे संडे. सो अब तो वीडियोज़ हफ्ते में 2 दिन जा रही हैं. सो आपने क्या करना है, जो सब्सक्राइब बटन है नीचे, पहले तो उसको क्लिक कर लो अगर नहीं करा है. उसके साथ एक बेल बटन बना होता है, उस बेल बटन को भी क्लिक कर लो तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन आएगा व्हेनेवर आई अपलोड अ वीडियो. एंड कुछ केसेस में क्या है कि यूट्यूब भी नोटिफिकेशंस नहीं भेज रहा है कई लोगों को. आई डोंट नो व्हाई इज दैट. That's a loss for us because so many people are not able to get the notification and watch our videos. But आप प्लीज़ ध्यान रख लीजिए कि थर्सडेज और वीकेंड्स पे मैं वीडियोस अपलोड करती हूँ. बहुत सारी फन वीडियोस हैं. प्लेलिस्ट मैंने बनाई हुई है जिसमें कि अलग अलग टाइप के कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं, जैसे होम डेकोर वीडियोस हैं, लाइफस्टाइल व्लॉग्स हैं, फैशन वीडियोस हैं, मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स हैं, सब कुछ है. सो प्लीज़ उसको चेक कर लीजिए. एंड अभी तो गाइस क्या है कि अरव मेरी बहुत हेल्प कर रहा है वीडियोस में बिकॉज ही इज़ ऑल्सो होम. ऑल्दो उसकी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो गई हैं विच आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट. बट ही हेल्प्स मी रिकॉर्ड माई वीडियोज, ही टेक्स माई पिक्चर्स. उसने एडिटिंग करना भी सीख लिया है. सो आई थिंक I'm taking this time very positively, though it's very disheartening to see what's happening around in the world. People are suffering, people are dying. It's very, very disheartening. I really hope and pray that we are out of the situation. But अभी हम जिस situation में फंसे हुए हैं, lockdown में है, we can't do much. So I think the best way to keep your children engaged is to teach them life skills. I will not say कि आप बच्चों को पढ़ने के लिए force करो. वो already बहुत stress में है guys. खेलने नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, स्कूल नहीं जा रहे हैं, फ्रेंड्स को नहीं मिल रहे हैं. सो दे आर अंडर अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस and they're very young to deal with this stress. So don't force them for anything. Rather involve them in fun activities. Like what I do with Arav is like उसको shooting का, editing का, इन सब चीज़ों का बहुत शौक है. So I am involving him regularly. He's learning and he's really enjoying. और हर वीडियो पे मैं उसको 100 रुपीज़ भी देती हूँ as a incentive. So he's super happy. एंड देन बच्चे कुकिंग कर सकते हैं, फायरलेस कुकिंग कर सकते हैं, सैंडविचेस बना सकते हैं, कटिंग क्लिपिंग कर सकते हैं वेजिटेबल्स की. व्हेन यू आर कुकिंग टेल देम टू स्टैंड बिसाइड यू एंड आप उनको इंग्रेडिएंट्स के नाम बताओ, रेसिपीज के नाम बताओ, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स के नाम बताओ. दे विल लर्न सो मच न्यू स्टफ एंड दे विल टेक इंटरेस्ट. यू कैन असाइन देम ड्यूटीज, जैसे मैंने अरव को बॉटल्स भरने का और प्लांट्स में पानी डालने का डेली का ड्यूटी दिया हुआ है एंड ही डज इट रिलीजियसली. आज 16-17 डेज हो गए हैं क्वारंटाइन के एंड ही इज डूइंग दिस एवरी सिंगल डे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई अप्रिशिएट हिम एंड उसको एक मंथली पॉकेट मनी में देती हूँ. बट आई टेल हिम दैट यू हैव टू अर्न everything for yourself. Nothing will be given to you instantly as a gratification. No, he has to earn, he has to make an effort for it and he does that. And he takes pride in whatever he gets, a gift, a play date or pocket money, anything and everything. So I think kids को engaged रखना इस time पे बहुत ज़रूरी है. Keep them constructively engaged, give them a lot of love and understand them. They are going through most tough time as compared to any one of us. We are adults, we can deal with it. It's difficult for them. So just don't pressurize them and just be happy, play with them, spend time with them. So बस अभी guys मेरे videos record कर लिए हैं. I'm dead tired. I think 4:30 हो गए हैं, अभी मैंने lunch नहीं किया है. Now I'll do lunch. And guys हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं videos बनाने में. तो वैसे I think I'm very very fortunate that 99% of my audience is very very sweet. You guys are loved, seriously. But फिर भी कुछ लोग होते हैं जो nasty comments करते हैं. Although it doesn't affect me, but it affects me in certain way that how come people are so insensitive? How can they just publicly say whatever they have to say? It means what are they going through? That is what worries me कि ऐसा क्या frustration है life में, ऐसी क्या complain है, क्या गुस्सा है उन्हें जो वो इस तरीके की बातें लिखते हैं. या कई लोग unconsciously लिख देते होंगे. They might not be having any particular reason, but I would like to say on behalf of all the content creators, including myself, कि guys हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करते हैं. बैक टूट जाती है शूट करने में, बहुत मेहनत होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें इन्वॉल्व होती हैं. जब तक आप नहीं करोगे आपको कोई आइडिया नहीं लगेगा इस बात का. सो जस्ट बी नाइस, बी पॉजिटिव, बी काइंड टू एवरीबडी. कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तो मत देखो वीडियो, बट यू डोंट हैव टू नेसेसरली मेक अ कमेंट बिकॉज योर कमेंट डजंट रियली मेक एनी सेंस and it doesn't make any difference to us, but it just creates negativity and we don't want that, right? So that's all I'll say. तो अब मैं चेंज करूंगी. खाना खाऊंगी, थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करूंगी, उसके बाद वी विल स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग डिनर। आज हम पास्ता बनाने का सोच रहे हैं, सो लेट्स सी इफ वी आर एक्चुअली मेकिंग पास्ता। एंड आरव ने मुझे खुद बोला कि मॉम मैं आपके साथ किचन में आज डिनर बनाऊंगा, कुछ नया कुछ अच्छा सा बनाएंगे। सो वी आर ट्राइंग एंड मेकिंग समथिंग न्यू, नॉट एवरी डे बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स, सो इट्स अ गुड लर्निंग फॉर अस एज वेल। सो या, so I'll see you guys after some time in the evening. You guys take rest. I'll see you soon. Bye. Hi guys, good evening. Okay, so I have taken good rest, feeling fresh. Now it's time to head back to the kitchen, make tea, and for dinner. So we have finally decided that I'll make aglio olio. That's also a type of pasta. It's in fact very simple, and I shared this recipe sometime back on my Instagram. इसमें सिर्फ garlic डलता है, काफ़ी सारा oil डलता है. Oil में garlic सौटे करते हैं ठंडे oil में. You should not burn the garlic. थोड़े से रेड चिली फ्लेक्स डालेंगे, एंड जो भी फॉर्म ऑफ पास्ता है, प्रेफरेबली स्पेगेटी, उसको बॉईल करके आप इस ऑयल में डाल दो एंड जस्ट ऐड सॉल्ट एंड सम चीज एंड यू आर डन. सो इट्स द easiest form of pasta. If you're not following me on Instagram, please follow guys, because I share a lot of stuff on Instagram on a daily basis. So I've already shared the recipe of aglio olio. So we'll be making that, and then I have to put Arif to sleep because he has class tomorrow, online class tomorrow, and successfully recorded 3 videos today. I'm feeling so good. Actually, this is the general me. I believe in being productive. There are days when I don't feel like doing anything. I don't do anything. I don't pressurize myself. But most of the days I feel motivated because I enjoy doing my work. So अभी तो ऐसा चल रहा है, there's so much of household work that getting time is difficult. So today I planned my day in such a way that I got up early, finished kitchen work on time, and then I spend the rest of the day recording 3 videos. So at least I'm relaxed that okay, my 3 videos are done, so I don't have to record every day. So yeah, feeling very happy, satisfied. एंड या सो बस अभी तो किचन का काम है, हाँ बर्तन धोने, आज बर्तन नहीं धोए, बर्तन धो के सोऊंगी. एंड या सो या चलो गाइस, सी यू. हाय. So our aglio olio is ready. This looks different because I didn't have spaghetti, guys. So I just made it in the normal rigate or spirally pasta. Arav, did you like it? Arav is tired and sleepy. So Arav will have his dinner. I'll quickly make orange juice and then we'll sleep. Okay? Hi guys. Okay, so this is the last bit of this video. It's 12 o'clock. Arav slept very late, almost 1+ hour he took to sleep. I was lying down with him. So I've just edited my video and uploaded. Let me show you guys. Can you see? There's this brand new video. This must be live on my channel by now. White outfits and styling it with silver jewelry. So yeah, this video is uploaded because tomorrow is like today is Thursday technically, and I upload videos every Thursday. So I've just edited and uploaded the video, and now I will sleep after this. It was a long day, but a very productive day and a good day, happy day in general. So I just wish you guys good health and happiness always. This time shall pass. Just stay home, be happy, try to keep yourselves busy, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Take good care. Bye bye, guys.